Planning to launch a startup? From incorporation to first year compliance, the journey can be overwhelming. Afin Advisory presents the Startup Registration and First Year Compliance Kit, an all-in-one solution to get your startup registered, compliant. Instead of purchasing services individually, this kit bundles everything you need, saving time, efforts, and your cost. This kit is designed for early-stage startup that wants to be legally compliant, investor-ready, and tax-efficient from day one. It covers company registration, GST, PAN, TAN, bookkeeping, ROC, compliance, ITR, trademark, tax planning, and more. Number 1. Company Incorporation. Start your startup the right way with legal registration, includes name approval, company setup via SPICE, DSC and DIN for founders, drafting of MOA and AOA, PAN and TAN registration included. Number 2. GST Registration. GST registrations ensure your startup can operate legally and invoice client with GST. We manage filing via the GST portal, address verification and ARN tracking, GST issuance and login setup. Number 3. Bookkeeping. Keep your financials clean and audit ready. Includes monthly transaction recording, digital ledger access, expenses classification, startup-friendly chart of accounts. Number 4. GST return filing. Stay fully compliant with GST filing for the first year includes monthly or quarterly GSTR1 and GSTR3 filing, input tax credit calculation, reconciliations with purchase and labor, timely filing to avoid penalties. Number 5. ROC compliance. Maintain full MCA compliance with board resolutions and annual filings. Includes drafting and filing AOC4 and MGT7, board resolution formats, directors KYC compliance, reminder support for due dates, CMA data preparation. Prepare professional financial projections to support funding or loans included 5-year projected financial statement, cash flow and balance sheet preparation. Bank ready CMA format prepared by CA. Income tax return filing. File your first year ITR accurately and efficiently included ITR 3 and ITR 6 filings based on books. Computation sheet with audit trail from 26 AS and PDS reconciliation. Digital signature submission. Trademark registration. Trademark registration protect your brand from day one. Include trademark class selection and name check. Filing with supportive documents, status updates and dashboard access. Deficiency reply support. Number 9. Tax planning and investment advisory. Tax planning and investment advisory plans tax and funding effectively. Includes quarterly planning calls, review of deductions, ESOP and founder tax advisory, capital structuring support. Number 10. TDS returns. TDS returns help us to stay compliant with TDS filing. Stay compliant with TDS filing with optimizing cash flow. Includes quarterly TDS planning filing, assessment of deduction and optimization, ESOP advisory and founder guidance, capital structuring support. Buying each services separately can be time-consuming and expensive for you. With the startup registration and first-year compliance kit, everything from incorporation to tax is handled by one roof, ensuring accuracy, compliance, and peace of mind. With Afin Advisory, you get end-to-end support from experienced CAs and company secretaries. Transparent and hassle-free process, timely reminder and compliance alert, guidance for investors, readiness and tax optimization. This kit is ideal for early-stage startup and founders, entrepreneurs planning to raise funds, small businesses transitioning to private limited or LLP, anyone wanting a stress-free, legal, compliant first year. Launch your startup confidently with the startup registration and first-year compliance kit from Afin Advisory. Focus on your business and growth. We will take care of registration, compliance, tax filing and more. You can call us at 9193929390 or you can visit our website. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more startups and compliance insights.